been a great morning on the DAX today on the 21st of March 2025. Let's check out the trades that have been happening since the open. Open in the German market is 8 o'clock in the morning, and it starts off with a trade right there at 8:04. Now, when we're trading these markets, what you're effectively looking at is a different style of trading slightly. If you're phase one, if you're new to this, and phase two, if you're a little bit more experienced. And really the difference, it's not the entry. We've got a rules-based entry point, so it's the same whether it's someone like myself who's been trading for 20 years or someone who's brand new to this. It's more about how we look to manage those trades. Phase one is going to be looking for a target. Phase two is going to be looking to run those trades, trail those stops in. Why do we do it in that way? Because actually it gives you really good, strong structure right at the start of your trading that you can then build on as the foundation as your trading skills develop. Let's have a quick look at the first trade. Now this is here on the close of this bar at 8:06, 8:04 this morning. Really nice buy trade. Just after the US Open, the market starts moving up, and there's several criteria that we need in place. It's going to be what we call an explosive standard trade because the arrow is on the outside of this channel. Price closes into the buy zone above these middle tram lines here, and these lines here, these red and green lines, well, they're both green. So what that means is that that's a buy trade here. Now, a brand new trader, what they're going to do is look for sort of a sweet spot, really, for a target, looking to get out usually in that sort of 10 to 25 pip region. Very often around 10 points is a good starting point to notch your profits, get out of the trade, and then move on. Okay, so that happens here after a couple of minutes. Okay, equally, the market then starts to spin off, starts to break back down again, and we end up with a short trade here. Same basic principles. Okay, we're in the sell zone. Okay, we're below these tram lines now. The lines here are red, and we've also now got the arrow above us pointing down. So on the close of candlestick A, the open of candlestick B, we end up with our short trade, and the market just scythes off for 2, 4, 6 minutes plus. And again, a phase one trader who's within the first 2 weeks of their trading journey with us, they'll be again chalking up a really nice profit. What then happens is no trade here, doesn't quite meet the rules of what we call a with trend trade, but we do break into another short, another explosive trade, the arrow again on the outside of the channel, giving a short on the close there at 9:06. Really nice sell off, again hitting target within just a few minutes. So that's phase one. Really nice trading opportunities there. How do we look to take a little bit more out of that? Well, this is something we're going to go through in our webinars, okay? But just to give you a rough idea of this, and again, if you want to learn more about this, you can attend our webinars and we'll go through it in more detail. But effectively what we're looking for is the market to have a meaningful move in our favor. We start off with a stop loss here. We very, very rarely get stopped out there because once you're in phase two, the goal is to move that stop loss down into a profit situation as soon as possible. And literally within 2 minutes, the market's moved materially in our favor and we can be locking in some profit now. And we'll be looking to trail that stop down, moving it down as the market has meaningful downward candlesticks. And yes, eventually we will get stopped out, but that's okay because very often that'll mean an outperformance. So phase one, we're getting 10 points. Very often by locking that trade in, psychologically we become a lot freer with that trade, a lot happier to run that trade and see how far it's going to go. Because the thing about trading is we never know if it's going to be a 5-point move, a 25-point move, or a 500-point move. But what you can do is you can give the trade the freedom to get there. And by moving your stop down, as you see those meaningful moves in our favor, we move our stop, we trail it down, until yes, eventually we will get stopped out. And that's where I got stopped out of my trade this morning at 9:24. And it's okay. Yes, the market's carried on a little bit more, but there is a structure to what we do here. And this is something we're going to go into in a bit more detail in our live webinar because it's the exact structure that we teach our traders within our program. So guys, if you want to be trading off 2-minute charts and you want to be in and out of trades within 2 minutes to half an hour typically, and you want some clear structure that's going to help you with your consistency of your trading, then you need to make sure you book in for our live webinars. Okay, so for the Dynamic Trader intraday trading webinars, somewhere on this page you should see the opportunity to register for a free live event. Get yourself booked in and we'll see you in the session and we'll teach you a whole heap more about how this works and how we're teaching people to trade for the last 20 years. See you there.
Want to learn how to find profitable trades like this? Register for our free trading webinar and discover the strategies that turn you into a confident trader. Prefer a more hands-on approach? Schedule a one-to-one walkthrough with a senior trader. See our software in action and get those questions answered, and take control of your trading journey.